Hey, so if your Dropbox sync is paused on your PC, yeah, like files are not updating, uploads are stuck, or it just says sync paused all the time. That can be really annoying. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, click the Dropbox icon in your system tray and check if syncing is paused. If it is, just hit resume syncing. Next, make sure your internet is working properly. A weak or unstable connection can automatically pause syncing. Now, check if Dropbox is having server issues. Sometimes syncing pauses when their servers are down. Next, restart the Dropbox app, close it from the system tray and open it again to reset the sync process. If it's still paused, try signing out and signing back in. This refreshes your account connection and fixes sync bugs. Now, check your storage. If your Dropbox or your PC storage is full, syncing will automatically pause. If you're on a laptop, battery saver mode can pause background syncing. Try turning it off. Sometimes antivirus or firewall settings block syncing. Temporarily disable them to see if that's the issue. If nothing works, update Dropbox or reinstall it. This usually fixes stubborn sync pause problems. So that's how you fix Dropbox sync paused issues on PC. Most of the time it's internet, storage, or a stuck app. Try these steps and your sync should start working again. Thanks for watching.